Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Prometheus scrape target status on your VPS. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your terminal on your VPS. Ensure that you are logged in as a user with sufficient permissions to access Prometheus. Type in the command to navigate to the Prometheus configuration directory. Typically, this is located in /etc/Prometheus. List the files in the directory to verify the presence of the Prometheus.yml configuration file. Open the Prometheus.yml file using a text editor of your choice, like Nano or 6. Look for the section labeled scrape_configs. Within scrape_configs, locate the list of targets that Prometheus is set to scrape. Note the URL or IP address of each target. Now, launch your web browser and enter the Prometheus web interface URL. This is generally http:// your VPS IP 9090. In the Prometheus web interface, click on the Targets tab. This will display a list of all configured scrape targets. Review the status of each target. You should see their current status as either up or down. If a target is marked as down, you will see an error message detailing the issue. Go back to the terminal and check if the service associated with the down target is running. For example, you can type system.status service_name. Ensure that the service is configured to listen on the correct port and IP address. If the service is down, restart it using system.restart service_name. Return to the Prometheus web interface and refresh the page. Check if the status of the target has changed to up. If it remains down, double-check your scrape configuration. Verify that the target's endpoint is reachable from your VPS. Use the curl command followed by the target URL to test connectivity. If you receive a response, that indicates the target is reachable. If issues persist, consult the logs for more information on what may be wrong. Check both your Prometheus logs and the logs of the service being scraped. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.